Let's now go ahead and adjust the lighting for this shot. I'm gonna move this playhead somewhere around here, let's say, and I'm gonna go into the outliner. I'm gonna open up this environment lights folder and I'm gonna select this directional light and let me adjust my view. I'm just gonna move this directional light on y-axis and bring it just about there. And I'm gonna also move this thing on x-axis as well to just about there. I'm gonna press F to focus and let me bring down my camera speed. There we go. And let's see. I'm gonna go into the details panel and let's adjust the position of this directional light. I'm gonna bring it maybe just about there, I guess. Let me see it from the top view. Maybe I should move this thing like so. Yeah, I think it looks good. Let's move closer to some asset and see if we have the shadowy side. Yeah, we do. So I think it looks pretty good. But if I'll enlarge this window, you can see that perhaps the intensity of the fog is a little bit too much for this shot. So let's go back into the outliner and I'm gonna select the exponential height fog. And let's bring this thing down to just about there maybe. Let me see, 0 0.01, 0 0.005 or 0 0.01. I think 0.005 looks good. Yeah. Let me see how this thing looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay. Let's now split this window and adjust the position of these light cutoff assets. I'm just gonna move my view somewhere around here, let's say. Let me just delete this one. I don't need that. And I'm gonna box select all of these assets. And let's move this playhead to just about there. And I'm gonna move all these assets on y-axis. I think I should move them on x-axis as well and bring them maybe just about there. And let's move this on y. Maybe, yeah, just about there, I guess. I think I should rotate them on z-axis like so. Um, Let me move this thing on x-axis. And I'm gonna rotate this thing on z. Yeah, I think this orientation looks good. I'm gonna move this thing on x-axis to just about there. And I'm gonna move this thing on y-axis as well to just about there, I guess. There. And let's move this playhead. I'm gonna create a duplicate copy of all of these assets on y-axis and bring them maybe just about there. I think I should move them back on y-axis to just about there, I guess. Let's see. Perhaps I should move them up on z-axis fractionally because they are visible in my shot. And I think I should move them on x-axis perhaps. No, on y-axis actually. Yeah, I think it looks good, but we're gonna have to adjust the position of, I don't know, this one maybe. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust the position of this thing. Let's rotate this thing on Z like so, and maybe just place it somewhere around here, let's say. I'm gonna get closer to this thing. Maybe just about there, I guess. I'm gonna move this thing on Y. Yeah, maybe just about there. Let's move this playhead. And I think I should rotate this thing maybe like so. And I'm gonna move it on X-axis to maybe just about there. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let's create a duplicate copy of this thing on Y-axis. Let me first move my playhead. And let's duplicate this copy on Y-axis to maybe just about there. I think I should rotate this thing on C as well, like so. And I'm gonna move this thing on X to maybe just about there. And let me see. I think I'm gonna select this one and rotate this thing on C. No, it's not this one. It's this one actually. Oops. I'm gonna rotate this thing on Z. No, it's not this one. I think it's this one. Which one is it? Yeah, I'm not sure which one is it. Perhaps it's this one maybe. Uh, it's this one. It was hidden behind in the back. Yeah, there it is. I'm just gonna rotate this thing on Z as well to just about there. And I'm gonna move this thing on Y and bring it somewhere around here, let's say. And let's move this thing on Y to just about there. And I'm gonna also move this thing on X and bring it maybe somewhere around here, let's say. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Still need something over here, but I think that empty patch looks good as well. Yeah, looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, we'll adjust the lighting for the night shot. So I'll see you guys in the next one.